This is how to make a custom vercel bio that looks a little bit something like this. So yeah, what you're gonna need is GitHub, logged in, and vercel, logged in and linked GitHub account. If you don't link it, then I don't know what to tell you. Um, what you're gonna want to do is on GitHub, you're gonna click New Respiratory. Make this whatever you want. So let's your name bio. I failed this tutorial twice. You can make it public, private, I don't care. Add a readme, it's much easier to find stuff. Add readme. I'll do it without. So, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna click creating a new file. And then you're here. So you're gonna name the file index.html. And then what you're gonna want to do is in the first link in the description, it'll lead you to this. You're gonna click on that and you're gonna join that. And then what you're gonna want to do is, oh my gosh, you're gonna go into reaction roles. You're gonna react to that, and then you're gonna go to backends, and you're gonna go into here, view whole file, copy, and then you're gonna go back to your GitHub and paste this, and commit changes. So now on your vercel, what you're gonna want to do is click Add New Project. Import Git respiratory if you've set it up correctly. You can click import on your name bio or whatever it's named or something. Then, once it's done deploying, you're going to see all this. You're going to click on this. Or, actually, you're going to click continue to dashboard. So you're going to see this, which is the template, of course. You can insert bio, example, whatever, whatever. So let's say I'm a 18-year-old and I love real tech copies. And this is a button. It can lead to like a Discord server, a YouTube, or a TikTok. And if you want to just add another button, just like copy that and paste it. But what you're gonna want to do, if you want to change like the color, let's say I want it to be hot pink hex color. Go ahead and copy that. Let's say I want the text to be hot pink, right? You're gonna paste it in like so. Look, it'll be here at the top. Color. Don't change anything but the numbers. Paste it. Commit changes. Commit changes. And then just wait till it's done updating. And then I'm just gonna refresh the page. As you can see, it's pink. This isn't pink because I didn't show you how to change the button color. To change the button color, right here, example button. I don't know if I'm gonna be okay. To change it, background color, you're gonna paste in whatever color you want. I don't really care. Um, Click commit changes, and then just let it update. And then, bam! Now you have a thing. If you want to change, actually, I don't feel it. If you want to change where it leads to, because right now it leads to OBF, what you want to do is, I just closed the thing. Hold on. Okay, yeah. If you want to change where it leads to, you edit this. This is the link. What you're gonna want to do is, change it to whatever link. So let's say I want it to be YouTube. So I'm just gonna YouTube and copy. I'm gonna paste it in. Oh, whoops. I did not do that. Paste it in. And then if you want to change the button name, I'll just name it YouTube. Commit changes. And as you can see, bada boom, bada boom, bada bam. Ah, what? And as you can see, it's YouTube and it leads to YouTube. Yeah. Anyways, if you want to change like your bio, let's say you want to stack stuff. So it looks like, let's say, I'll just go with the end. You want to make stuff, you want to make your bio like stack like that. What you want to do is you don't want to Like, let's say I'm an 18-year-old and I love GTAG copies, right? You don't want to do this and then click enter to stack. No, that'll mess it up. Or it won't mess it up, but it won't look how you want it to. Instead, add the left arrow, and then you're gonna add BR, and then the right arrow, and then I'm gonna just say I love GTAG copies, and then commit. Huh? Huh? I said, huh? I'm doing. Why? As you can see, it looks like this. So yeah, and if you want to change your name, then you can go ahead and change it to your name in bio. I'll just make it Mark bio, and then you can change this to whatever you want. I'll just say Gooner. Commit changes, and then that should be it. If you wanna, that's really it. Yo, this dude, you look like a child. You look like a child. And as you can see, this is Mark Bio and Gooner, and that's how you set it up. So, yeah, go join the Discord if you want this. Alright, goodbye.